Hi guys, in this video I'm solving my 4x4 Rubik's Cube.
Firstly, we have to make it like a regular 3x3 Rubik's Cube.
To make it like 3x3 Rubik's Cube, we have to solve the center pieces, just like I'm solving. Next step is to solve the edge pieces. After solving the edge pieces, you'll find that it's looking like a regular 3x3 Rubik's Cube.
Make a cross on top and then complete one color. After completing one color, solve the second layer.
Now solve the last layer, make cross on top and then complete the upper side.
Here we got a corner parity. Thought it's our time to solve this.
If you want to learn the easiest method of solving the 3x3 Rubik's Cube, then like and comment to let me know. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, then subscribe.